Hey, what's up guys? This is Don here, and today I'll be showing you 3 tweaks that give you a different media player for your lock screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. For our first tweak, we have Helix XI, and this is a paid tweak on the Cydia market, and this is pretty much how it looks. So if we lock our device, voila, that's how it looks. Now, something cool about this tweak is that it also gives you the lyrics for the song playing. So if you tap on the name up here, you get your lyrics right there. To dismiss that, just click on the album art and it goes away. Now, something I don't like about this is that obviously it takes up the whole entire lock screen. And two, when you pause music, it's a bit delayed when it comes to pausing it. So if we take a look right here, I just tapped and it took a while to pause it. Now to play, it's instantly. So as you saw right there, it played right away, but to pause it, it takes a while. So now let's go take a look at some of the things that this tweak provides. So if you can see right here, we do have two options, and that is the enable option. Then we have a background artwork option. And this is pretty much how it looks like. You will have to respring, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and enable that and respring. And as you can see here, this is pretty much how it looks. It pretty much gets rid of the top widget and it just blurs everything out in the background, which is something that I don't like, but you might like it. But that's pretty much it for Helix XI. And let's go on to our next tweak. SpinXI is our next tweak, and it is also a paid tweak, but this is pretty much how it looks like. So if we lock our device, open it, you get this little nice traditional SpinXI with your song's name on top and your MIDI controls at the bottom. Also, the little spin adapts to your artwork, as you can see there. But yeah, let's go take a look at some of the settings that this tweak provides. So if we go into our settings, SpinXI, you have your enabled toggle. At the bottom, you have a spinner section, and this is what this section has. You have the ability to hide your artwork and the ability to use custom colors. Now, the way these work is the medium color is a little dot where you can go ahead and adjust where in the song you want to be at. The maximum color is the amount of time that has elapsed in the song, and then the thumb color is the amount of time that you have left on the song. So if we go back and go into labels, this is pretty much the name of the song. You can go ahead and customize the color with the bottom option. Then you can also have a dynamic color, which adjusts to your album artwork. And of course, you could go ahead and change the size of the font if you like. If you go into the background, you're going to have a default control blur. This will add a blur just like in the regular media player. And in my opinion, it looks ugly, but it's really up to you. But I have it disabled. The extra height allows you to adjust the amount of space between your notification and the media player. So if we lock our device and take a look, I have mine at default 0, so it's pretty close to my media player. But if you want to be a little bit more separate, a little bit more space, you go ahead and adjust that in that setting right there. But that's pretty much it for SpinXI, and let's go on to our next and final tweak. ILive is our last and final tweak, and this is pretty much how it looks like. It's a very nice and compact tweak if you want it to be compact. But yeah, let's go take a look at some of the settings that this tweak provides. So we go into our settings, you're going to see that we do have our enable toggle, which actually doesn't work, just FYI. And we have 4 styles that this tweak provides. The teeny one is the same as the one that I just have, except you do not have the bar to adjust where on the song you want to be at. The tiny volume one is the same, except the bar doesn't adjust the track, now it adjusts the volume. Then the jumbo one looks pretty big, which I will show you in a bit. In the bottom, you have the option to hide the album art and also hide the duration labels. You also have the option to adjust the corners of the jumbo style, and you have your respring option. So let me go ahead and enable that jumbo style and show you how it looks like. So as you can see here, we do have our jumbo style enabled, and it's pretty big. And I'm not a fan of this because it takes the whole entire lock screen, of course, and also it's a bit intrusive in the bottom over here on our toggles, but that's pretty much how it looks like. And of course, you can adjust the corners in the settings, like I said, at the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other styles as well. So here's our volume one playing. As you can see there, my volume's at the bottom for, copyright reasons, but there's our toggle with the volume, and it's very nice and compact. Now here's our teeny style. As you can see, no option to configure where on the track you want to be or to turn up the volume, just your pause, next, and previous media buttons. very nice and compact. And that's pretty much it for the iLive tweak and for the video. As always, guys, hit that like button if you liked it. If you dislike it, you already know what to do. And if you'd like to see more of my jailbreak tweak videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.